Welcome back to Talk of the Town. We are joined now by Sarah Noel and Laura Fantini from Metro Public Adjustment, Inc. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Metro Public Adjustment. What is it? What are the services you offer?
Well, actually what we are, we're the largest public adjusting company in the country, and we're here to help people that have had damages from their from Hurricane Matthew. The storm came through and there's a significant amount of damages.
Oh, huge. It was devastating here.
Yeah. People really don't know that we exist, okay? But we are licensed by the state of South Carolina's Department of Insurance, okay? And what we want to do is make sure that people are getting treated fairly. So if you have a claim, we want to make sure that you are getting everything that you're supposed to. It's very overwhelming, and you know, just to let people know that we are here, we are licensed, and we are the homeowners or the property owners representative to make sure that they are getting treated fairly.
So you all are kind of an insurance ambassador, so to speak.
Correct.
Yeah, so
Correct.
Hurricane Matthew is like synonymous with insurance and insurance claims. A lot of folks are just up to their knees in paperwork. It's overwhelming, like you said. So how does an insurance adjuster differ from a public adjuster?
An adjuster, they interview the claimant, they inspect the damage, and they investigate to determine the extent of the insurance company's liability.
Yeah.
There's three types of adjusters. There's the staff or company adjuster, there's an independent adjuster, and there's a public adjuster.
Okay.
So the staff adjuster, they are full-time employees of the insurance company.
Okay.
Okay, and they're completely committed to the insurance company. The independent adjusters are like the hired guns of the insurance company.
Okay.
They're the guys that you see. They're the guys that you see that go out to the catastrophic losses and storms. A public adjuster, they're licensed in most states. They're bonded. CE credits are required to renew their license, and we represent and advocate for the homeowner legally. We are skilled negotiators, which is my favorite part.
Yeah, that's huge. It's huge.
We're skilled negotiators. We're expert in interpreting the policy wording.
Yeah, see, that's just it. Like when something happens, that's when we discover exactly how our insurance applies.
Correct.
We know that we have insurance, but until we're in the state of need, and there's always some stipulation that we didn't know about or didn't understand. You know, nothing bad about insurance companies. We all need the insurance, but to be able to navigate that's a huge service.
Yeah, I think we're the watchdogs of the industry. And,
well said.
Yeah, and the benefit of using a public adjuster is we relieve the burden and the stress through some very complicated claims. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, just getting through, you end up on the phone forever, and then you don't know what questions to ask, and yeah.
And that's our goal, is to relieve the burden and the stress and to maximize the claim.
Sure.
And we provide advice, okay? And we guide you through the entire process.
So if somebody contacts you, like how long does it take to hear back from you, and how long does the process usually take?
Well, we typically are getting back to someone that day.
That's great.
Yeah, within 24 hours though, for sure. And what we would do is go out to someone's home and evaluate, or business. I mean, we're representing commercial property owners, homeowners. It's very overwhelming.
Yeah.
So what we would do is go to the home, okay, or to the business, and evaluate their coverage. If they've gotten a settlement from their insurance company, we're going to evaluate that and take a look and see if they were treated fairly.
That's great.
And if they are, you know, if they are in need of our services, we could move forward with that process to help them.
Is there a cost associated with the service?
Actually, our initial consultation is absolutely free.
That's great.
People don't pay us anything out of pocket. We actually work contingent on a settlement. So I know a lot of people are getting settlements from their insurance companies, and it may not be what they need. So we'll go in, evaluate that, and if there is something that we could work work on for them to help them, we would we're contingent on a settlement.
Wonderful.
Over and above, though, if anyone's gotten a settlement from their insurance company, we would not take a percentage on that. We only work over and above.
Gotcha.
Okay.
So Metro Public Adjustment, folks need to give you a call. Sarah Noel and Lori Fantini, thank you so much for being with us today, and give these folks a call if any of your insurance questions. We'll be back with more Talk of the Town.